Welcome back to the channel Cat Comrade, and in today's video we are going to learn about 5 very useful commands in AutoCAD which is really underrated, but it is very useful when you get to know it. So let's start with the first one. It's the QDim command, and also known as the quick dimensioning command. So what happens in this command is that it creates a series of dimension quickly from the selected object. So you don't need to select 2 points and then stretch the length. You can just write the command qdim, and you just have to select the objects that you want to have the dimensions for. As you can see right over here, I have selected the objects and the lines that I want the dimension for. After that, just press enter and it will stretch, and you can stretch however you want it, and this will come in the style that is set in your computer. Just select match properties, and you can just do this match properties, and it will do your dimension in like no time. So this was the first most useful AutoCAD command. That is the second on here is the overkill command. Right over here, as you can see, there are multiple lines over here. As you can see red, you can see white. So what happens in this command is overkill command. You have to select the area that you want, that you feel that this is an overlapping area or a contiguous area. So just select that area, write the command overkill, and select. This is the default options. I have also made a video particularly on overkill, which tells all of you all of this options too. So for now, this is the default setting that you have to keep, and it is just fine. It works completely all right. And just press enter, and there you are. It will overkill all the lines that are overlapping. So what happens here is this had two lines, so now there are only one line. As you can see, there are no red lines right over here. So this is what overkill command does. So I deleted it, and let's get, oh, I want that back. So where is it? Here comes our third command, that is the oops command, which is oops, and it just restores the things that has been erased right over here. So that was it. Then the fourth in the line is the enclose command. So let's say this are the text that I have in my AutoCAD plan, whatever it is. I'm just telling you the command. So what is this? That I want circles all over this alphabet. So what a regular draftsman will do, just uh, this do a circle, then he will manage, then do he'll try to make it proper, but this is completely a wrong thing to do. What you have to do is just write the circle, then you have to select this objects right over here, then press enter, then distance 0 circles. This gives you three options: circles, slots, and rectangles. So let's go with circles for this, and select it as variable. So it is, so circle are right over here. You don't have to draw in and then adjust it. And after this, the next command in line is the t count command. Let's say I want to have something returned in this order, which is a1, a2, a3, a4, like that. So after please make sure you write the command after selecting the text you want to change, and just write t count, and just select that select order means the thing that you have selected, right? We selected 1 2 3 4 5, so click on select and start from 1. Yes, I want it in this suffix. So this also gives four options, which is override. That means it will change the 5 A's and will make it at 1 2 3 4 5. This is the prefix, that means that it will come in ahead of the letter. Suffix means after the letter, and find and replace it. It means that AutoCAD will find the word or the letter in your whole AutoCAD plan or AutoCAD drawing, and then replace it with the thing you have told it to do. So for here, I'll select suffix. So as you can see, after this it has done. As my text box was small, it has given it on the lower end of it, but This is what the T count does. So that's all for the video. And if you had find it interesting and useful, then share it with someone who may need it. Thank you.